Hope you're having a great traveling day, and today I am going to make your traveling experience a more enjoyable one, making it easier. How are we going to do that? With the RetraStrap. The RetraStrap allows you to be hands-free when transporting your carry-on luggage up to 30 pounds. This product was developed by Omar, brought it to Kickstarter. It is now available at a purchase, and I will put a couple of links, 2 links of different purchase options, and a third link, how to install this on your luggage, and I'll quickly show that to you. So this is a really nice product, very affordable. Some people think, oh, no big deal, I can use my hands and wheel my luggage. So if you've got a family, you got kids, you need both of your other hands, or you got multiple pieces of luggage, what's nice is then you just strap this onto your carry-on luggage. Also, if you're a business traveler and you might have one hand with your coffee on one hand, your phone on the other, now you could be hands-free, and this will easily follow behind you. Also, for security, this wraps right on your suitcase, and so it stays with you, which is great. And so for security, so no one's running off with your luggage. Also, it does provide a lot of adjustability and flexibility. You can adjust the sizing with the strap. Again, in my tutorial video, you can get those details there. So very easy to set up. So what I want to do is put it on here real quick. I have about 30 pounds worth of stuff I'm going to put in my suitcase, go outside and demonstrate it to you. And really looking forward to seeing many people in the airports having one of these. It does have a rubberized piece here for your shoulder so it doesn't slip and stays on. Very comfortable. I mean, Omar did a really nice job with this. Fantastic. So kudos to Omar. And then it also has this rubberized piece here, so when it sticks to your handle, it will stay. All right, so you have the RetraStrap logo. You want this on the inward position. And also you want to make sure that the D-ring is in the upward position like that. So here we go. So what you're going to do is we'll open the Velcro here. We're gonna wrap this. Now you want it on the right-hand side of your handle because so this way it follows you. And we'll go ahead and wrap this around, tighten it up. And now it's good to go. And then you'll see, once I wrap this over my shoulder, my luggage is gonna follow me. So let's go ahead, get my suitcase filled. We're gonna go outside, demonstrate it to you, and can't wait to see your thoughts and comments and your experience. Here we go. Okay, everybody, I'm outside. I wanted to demonstrate it a few different ways so you'll be able to see. First of all, so you can see I do have some stuff in here. It is maxed out with heavy shoes. So I've got my shoes in here. I've got it also on this side as well. It is 30 pounds. I've weighed it with a little portable travel luggage scale. So, all right, so this is how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over my shoulder. And what you're gonna do is you want it to be at your arm's length, and then all you do is it just follows you, just like that. Nice and easy to follow. You turn, it turns with you. Now, let's go ahead so I can show you can be hands-free. Imagine you got a couple other pieces of luggage. Here you go, got a couple other pieces of luggage. It just follows you like this. I mean, how awesome is this? And I could turn like that. It just keeps following. I mean, you will love this, and it's so smooth. It doesn't feel like it's shaking. It's just following me, and you just keep walking and walking. Just keep going. And again, I have 30 pounds in my bag. So there you go. This is a winner. You got to have it. If you travel, the RetraStrap is a game changer. So click on the link again where you can learn about this fantastic product. Order it. We have a lot of reviews coming, and it will make your life a whole lot easier. Let me know if you have any questions, and also, again, when you get it, if you're not sure how to set it up, just watch my video and take you step by step how to set it up. Alrighty, buddy. Omar, thank you for inventing an amazing product and making traveling, especially through the airport, a game changer. Take care, everybody. Travel safe.